Welcome to Metallurgy with AJR. Small concepts in an easy and simple approach. Here I am going to explain to you Jominy end quench test to determine hardenability of steel. What is hardenability? The hardenability of a metal alloy is the depth to which a material is hardened after putting it through a heat treatment process. It should not be confused with hardness, which is a measure of a sample's resistance to indentation or scratching. A relative convenient method to determine the hardenability of steel is the Jominy end quench test. In the Jominy end quench test, a steel bar of 1 inch diameter and 4 inches long is heated to the proper austenitizing temperature. After soaking for sufficient time, the specimen is quickly placed in a fixture. A water jet is opened quickly. Water comes out at a constant pressure through an orifice of ½ inch diameter. The distance between the orifice and the bottom end of the steel bar is kept at ½ inch. The free jet height is 2.5 inches and the temperature of the water is kept around 24 degrees centigrade. A stream of water strikes the lower end of the specimen. The end quenching is continued for about 20 minutes to cool the bar nearly to the ambient temperature. Hardness variations in quenched Jominy bar. Hardness is determined at intervals of 1/16 inch along one end of the flat surface of the bar. Near the quenched end, the interval is reduced to 1/32 inch as hardness impressions are smaller and hardness values may vary rapidly. With 50% martensite in a 0.8% carbon steel, the hardness value of 54 HRC is reached. This distance is measured from the quenched end in units of 1/16 inch. This distance is the Jominy distance. Having determined the Jominy distance, we can now estimate the hardenability using the Grassmann chart. Here one more parameter is there. The severity of quenching medium is given by the heat transfer equivalent H is nothing but the ratio of heat transfer coefficient between steel and medium and thermal conductivity of steel. Here for water it is H is equal to 1. So we are having the straight line H is equal to 1. From there the Jominy distance we have found out is 4/16. It cuts the H is equal to 1 at 1.1 inch. That is hardenability range. So here we are able to calculate the hardenability of 0.8% carbon steel. Friends, my idea is to give small concepts of metallurgy in a continuous process. Kindly like my videos and subscribe. You will get notification from me every week. Thank you.